Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Learning, your favorite channel to improve your English. Today, we're going on a journey through the airport and onto the airplane. I'll share 100 useful English sentences that will help you communicate confidently during your travels. Let's get started. General airport phrases. Where is the check-in counter?
Where is the check-in counter?
Can I see your passport, please?
Can I see your passport, please?
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Can I keep this bag as hand luggage?
Can I keep this bag as hand luggage?
What is the weight limit for checked luggage?
What is the weight limit for checked luggage?
Your flight is delayed by 30 minutes.
Your flight is delayed by 30 minutes.
Your boarding gate has been changed.
Your boarding gate has been changed.
Do I need to remove my shoes at security?
Do I need to remove my shoes at security?
Please place your laptop in a separate tray.
Please place your laptop in a separate tray.
What time does the flight board?
What time does the flight board?
Where is gate 15?
Where is gate 15?
How much is the excess baggage fee?
How much is the excess baggage fee?
Can I have an aisle seat, please?
Can I have an aisle seat, please?
Is this a direct flight or a connecting flight?
Is this a direct flight or a connecting flight?
When will the boarding process begin?
When will the boarding process begin?
Where can I collect my luggage?
Where can I collect my luggage?
Is there a currency exchange counter here?
Is there a currency exchange counter here?
Can you tell me the departure time of the flight?
Can you tell me the departure time of the flight?
Are there any restaurants near this gate?
Are there any restaurants near this gate?
Is there Wi-Fi available in the terminal?
Is there Wi-Fi available in the terminal?
Where is the immigration desk?
Where is the immigration desk?
I am traveling for business.
I am traveling for business.
I am on vacation.
I am on vacation.
Do I need to fill out an immigration form?
Do I need to fill out an immigration form?
My flight has been cancelled. What are my options?
My flight has been cancelled. What are my options?
On the plane. Can I have a blanket, please?
Can I have a blanket, please?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Can I switch seats with someone?
Can I switch seats with someone?
Could you lower the window shade?
Could you lower the window shade?
When will we land?
When will we land?
Can I have some water, please?
Can I have some water, please?
Is there an in-flight entertainment system?
Is there an in-flight entertainment system?
Can I use the restroom now?
Can I use the restroom now?
Are there any vegetarian meal options?
Are there any vegetarian meal options?
Can you help me with my luggage?
Can you help me with my luggage?
What's the flight duration?
What's the flight duration?
How do I connect to the in-flight Wi-Fi?
How do I connect to the in-flight Wi-Fi?
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
There is turbulence, please remain seated.
There is turbulence, please remain seated.
Where can I store my carry-on luggage?
Where can I store my carry-on luggage?
Can I recline my seat?
Can I recline my seat?
Is there a menu for snacks?
Is there a menu for snacks?
Can I see the duty-free catalog?
Can I see the duty-free catalog?
Will there be a meal served on this flight?
Will there be a meal served on this flight?
When will the seatbelt sign be turned off?
When will the seatbelt sign be turned off?
I am feeling airsick. Can you help?
I am feeling airsick. Can you help?
Can I have some ice for my drink?
Can I have some ice for my drink?
What's the local time at our destination?
What's the local time at our destination?
Is there a baby changing area on the plane?
Is there a baby changing area on the plane?
How long until we reach our cruising altitude?
How long until we reach our cruising altitude?
Arrival at the destination. Where is the baggage claim area?
Where is the baggage claim area?
My luggage is missing.
My luggage is missing.
I need to report a lost item.
I need to report a lost item.
Can I get a trolley for my luggage?
Can I get a trolley for my luggage?
Do I need to declare any items at customs?
Do I need to declare any items at customs?
Where can I find a taxi stand?
Where can I find a taxi stand?
Is there a shuttle service to the city?
Is there a shuttle service to the city?
How far is the city center from the airport?
How far is the city center from the airport?
Where is the nearest hotel?
Where is the nearest hotel?
Can I book a rental car here?
Can I book a rental car here?
What is the address of this airport?
What is the address of this airport?
Is there a train station near the airport?
Is there a train station near the airport?
Do I need to fill out a customs declaration form?
Do I need to fill out a customs declaration form?
Are there any duty-free shops here?
Are there any duty-free shops here?
Where can I find the arrivals board?
Where can I find the arrivals board?
How long is the wait for immigration?
How long is the wait for immigration?
Can I get directions to the nearest bus stop?
Can I get directions to the nearest bus stop?
My connecting flight is in another terminal.
My connecting flight is in another terminal.
Where can I find assistance for disabled passengers?
Where can I find assistance for disabled passengers?
Is there a lounge I can use while waiting?
Is there a lounge I can use while waiting?
What are the public transport options here?
What are the public transport options here?
Can I charge my phone anywhere?
Can I charge my phone anywhere?
Where can I get information about city tours?
Where can I get information about city tours?
Is there a pharmacy in the airport?
Is there a pharmacy in the airport?
Where can I exchange my boarding pass for the next flight?
Where can I exchange my boarding pass for the next flight?
Emergency or special situations. I missed my flight. What should I do?
I missed my flight. What should I do?
My flight has been overbooked.
My flight has been overbooked.
Where is the medical assistance center?
Where is the medical assistance center?
I lost my passport. Can you help me?
I lost my passport. Can you help me?
Is there a police station in the airport?
Is there a police station in the airport?
I left something on the plane.
I left something on the plane.
Can I rebook my flight for tomorrow?
Can I rebook my flight for tomorrow?
Where can I get a refund for my ticket?
Where can I get a refund for my ticket?
My seat assignment has been changed. Why?
My seat assignment has been changed. Why?
I need help finding my gate.
I need help finding my gate.
Is there a smoking area in the airport?
Is there a smoking area in the airport?
I can't find my connecting flight details.
I can't find my connecting flight details.
Can you help me with a wheelchair request?
Can you help me with a wheelchair request?
Where is the customer service desk?
Where is the customer service desk?
Is there a delay for incoming flights?
Is there a delay for incoming flights?
My child is traveling alone. What are the procedures?
My child is traveling alone. What are the procedures?
I need a stroller for my baby.
I need a stroller for my baby.
Is there a quiet area in the terminal?
Is there a quiet area in the terminal?
Can I leave my luggage in storage for a few hours?
Can I leave my luggage in storage for a few hours?
How do I get to the emergency exit?
How do I get to the emergency exit?
Where can I find help for lost children?
Where can I find help for lost children?
My flight has been diverted. What should I do?
My flight has been diverted. What should I do?
Are there COVID-19 regulations for this destination?
Are there COVID-19 regulations for this destination?
Can I request assistance for hearing-impaired passengers?
Can I request assistance for hearing-impaired passengers?
Is there a direct line for urgent inquiries?
Is there a direct line for urgent inquiries?
That's it for today. We've covered useful English phrases for airports and airplanes. Practice these sentences to feel more confident during your travels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Learning for more helpful lessons. See you in the next video. Safe travels. Bye for now.